eating anything since morning because you know.
Look at her. Look at her woman, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and haven't subscribed, please do want to hit the subscribe button so you can stay tuned for more of my videos and I post the videos. So anyways, as y'all could tell, I'm super excited because like I am obviously prepping for my birthday, which is definitely on Monday next week, because this is Tuesday, Monday next week on the 2nd of October. That is my birthday. So yeah, we're just prepping, you know. I don't know, but I would call this a chaotic prep because like I wasn't ready. Like I am definitely not ready, but I just gotta be ready, you feel me? So anyways guys, yeah, so in this video I got my hair done, my makeup, my photo shoot, and then of course and yeah, I also got my fake tattoo in this video. So yes, I actually didn't record me doing that, but I just pretty much like just organized some things. So yeah, anyways guys, so if y'all want to see that, keep watching this video and I'm gonna see y'all on the next clip. Yeah, that is that. So y'all, I'm gonna be taking down this braid because like it has been 3 weeks since I made it. I said it was gonna stay 2 weeks, but it ended up staying 3 weeks. But anyways, that's fine. The hair has served its purpose, so we're gonna be taking it down because I gotta prep my hair for my birthday, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I wish I had done this like earlier because I had so much to do in so little time. So yeah, we got done with the hair and I'm just trying to comb it and put it in a bun. Yeah, so because I'm gonna be washing it tomorrow. Alright y'all, so we're gonna be doing my nails for my photo shoot because these are my old press-ons, so I'm just trying to like make them look more birthday like kind of vibe. So yeah, that is what I'm basically doing in this video because I want to like have a different set of nails in my shoe and then a different set of nails on my actual birthday, like when going out. So yeah, that is why I'm gonna be doing this press-ons and yeah.
Birthday in my mind, seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out, to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind, can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby, I've on my empty mind.
Okay y'all, so it is giving birthday kind of vibe and I'm liking it. Yeah, like I didn't expect the nails to turn out like this, but you know, you feel me? Like as we're doing it, we'll go on the floor, you feel me?
I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care.
Y'all, so the sets are almost ready. I just got like 2 more nails cooking, so you know. Yeah, check out this glittery nails, baby. Like this is it. Like damn, oh my goodness, like bro, I'm in love with this set of nails. Like this is like my best pressing nails ever. I am in love with this. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing my toenails. I'm just gonna be fixing the big toenail. Actually, I'm gonna be fixing that one because I don't like to fix the other one because like they always like go out real fast. So and this is not acrylic, so yeah, I'm not gonna be doing that with this anyways. So this is just what I'm doing and I'm just gonna go right ahead and use the same glitter color that I have on the person set on my feet. Alright y'all, so we done with the feet and they are giving, like it is giving the whole birthday vibe. Like oh my goodness, I am loving this. Our feet is looking pretty.
Trying to make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go, wait, think he was holding me to the right, but it will pick up and find me. All the while, I wave my arm, I'm feeling a smile. Still wanna try to
just finished washing my hair and I just want to air dry. I don't want to blow dry it, so I'm gonna put my hair in a cornrow once it's dry because I'm gonna put a weave on. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna go do my shoot tomorrow, so I'm just getting my stuff together. I'm trying to pack my things so I don't end up forgetting anything. So yeah. Hi guys, good morning. So it is the day that I'm gonna go do my shoot, and anyways, I'm gonna be going by 12. I'm gonna be going by 12 or 1:30, and this is currently 8:55. So yeah, I still have a lot of time to prep for that, so I'm just super excited. I'm just gonna chill in bed for like an hour, and then I'm gonna hop out of bed, go brush my teeth, and start my day, and pretty much do my makeup. I'm gonna try as much as possible to vlog my makeup because yeah, I'm having space issues, so I'm gonna try to vlog there. So anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all when I'm done. All right, bye.
That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby, come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I would.
So y'all, I'm done with my makeup and I am ready to go out and have my shoot ready. Y'all, it's looking kind of cloudy and I think it's gonna rain or something like that. So first things first, I'm gonna get my nails done. Yeah, I'm gonna get my nails done. And so y'all, this is what my hair, I was leaving it like this because of the way it is. So I got my hair on and I'm just gonna get dressed and ready to head to the studio.
You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical.
Alright y'all, so I'm ready to go out. I'm ready to go out and I did get myself a tattoo, but it's a sticker anyway, so yeah, I can't do the real deal right now. But anyways, I'm gonna be heading over to my studio. I'm already sweating, so I just want to get this over with so I can come back home and eat, because I haven't eaten anything since morning because you know, but I want my tummy to be big, so yeah, that is why. And nice.
Just another interlude. That's another.
So y'all, I'm at the studio and I just want to change into my costume so we can start shooting.
It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday too. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, it's stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't you. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't go that, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little down. I wish you would just focus on me. Keep focus on me. Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Keep focus on.
So I just got back from my shoot. It was very interesting and kind of stressful at the same time, but it was okay anyways, y'all. So I did buy some things from my cosmetic store. I did get like this brow gel. I got this one, this brow gel. I also got like this lip gloss. This is Splendid Honey. It is really pretty, matches my nails, so I got it because it looks super cute. And I did get this LA Girl palette. Like, this is super cute. It has all my shades and everything, so I just got it because I needed that, so you know. Anyways guys, I'm super stressed, y'all, so I'm just gonna like take off my makeup and then I'm just gonna have a little bit of nap because, you know, I gotta go right. So I'm gonna see y'all, or this might be the end of the video, I don't know, but anyways, let's see how it goes. This smells really good, and I like the lip gloss because of the sparkles and everything. If you don't know me, I'm a lip gloss freak, so yeah, whatever it looks like, I'm gonna get it. Like, I can have 1,000 lip gloss, bro. Like, this smells like bubble gum. My